So you want to become a content creator, or you're already into content creation but you want to become better at it. Hold on, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 10 things a good content creator must keep in mind, or should I say 10 skills of a good content creator. Number 1, platform proficiency. You should know the platform that best works for you, or the platform that you're more comfortable using, and start with that platform before you grow into other platforms. Start with the platform that have more of your audience, that you can reach out to people more, or you are very comfortable with. All right, start with that kind of platform, then build your audience there before you go into the next platform. Don't try building in all of them all at once. All right, because it's at a point it become very stressful and to start draining you. So I would advise you start with one platform and then grow into the other. All right, so the second one on the list is video editing. You should have the basic video editing skill. All right, so you should know how to put videos together. You should join a video, split, those simple skills, those simple video editing skills that you can apply to make your video to have more impact, to make your video have more impact when your viewers are watching it. All right, so if you don't have any idea about video editing, or you're trying to look at video editing classes or courses, check out some of my content. I have video editing content. You can look at it and start learning from there. The third one on the list is graphic design. You should have a graphic design skill to design maybe a flyer, a thumbnail, just anything at all you want to design. You might want to also enhance your picture or something like that. So if you're into content creation, you should have those skills. You should have the graphic design skill. All right, so I put out some graphic design content too, like graphic designs using Canva and all that. You can check out some of my content like that. The fourth one on the list is audio editing. You should enhance your voice, because the audio of your videos or your contents have a lot of impact on your video. So you should enhance the audio of your videos to pass quality information across to your viewers too. All right, so the next on the list, which is the fifth one, is storytelling. All right, you should know how to create or tell compelling stories to move your audience to action, or to enable them feel what you are feeling at the moments at which you're telling the story. All right, having a good storytelling skill is very good to elevate your content, and also for you to connect with your viewers. All right, so the sixth one on the list is visual communication. While you're talking, you should be expressive. All right, express yourself while you're talking, to also pass across your emotions and also to pass the information better. All right, so your composure, your tone, so basically you use visual communication to convey your message. All right, it enables your viewers to understand better what you mean, or pass across emotions. All right, and also to grab the attention of your viewers with your hand gestures, what you do on screen, your movement, everything put together. You communicate with your entire body. You communicate with your eyes, your mouth, everything. You get what I mean? So you have to communicate better to grab your viewers' attention. In visual communication, you can also use pictures, image, some video clips to better paint a picture and pass across the information you're trying to pass to your viewers for better understanding. All right, so the next on the list is writing. So before you put out your content, you have to at least put down the points of what you're talking about. So you write down your scripts, so you get a clearer picture and you have a more organized content, so you don't just come on here and ramble. So putting down or writing down your script or your content helps you organize your content better for a better delivery. So learn how to write down your script your content better. So you should have a writing skill too. And also plan out your content. Planning comes before the scripting, but then most times it goes hand in hand. All right, so you just do all of them together. So plan your content before the actual shooting. So the next on the list is SEO. Always optimize your content. SEO stands for search engine optimization. So this way it helps the algorithm push out your content when someone searches it and it displays it directly to them. So SEO helps making sure that you optimize your content, helps the algorithm of any platform that you're putting out your content in or on to optimize, to bring out, to push out your content whenever someone searches something relating to that content. All right, so you optimize your content by giving it a good title, a good caption, and a good description. Right, so you look up keywords that people are searching based on that topic and include it on your description or your video to help you rank better, to help you optimize, and say those keywords on your videos when you're filming like this. So you say those keywords, you say them so that when the algorithm looks through your video, it can put it out when someone searches something relating to that. All right, so the last one, which is the 10th one on the list, is consistency. So if you're a content creator, you have to be consistent. Whichever platform you're using, whether it's YouTube, you can decide to post 2 times in a week, 3 times a week, or every day, depending on whatever your schedule, and how how much you can handle. So you just do that and be consistent on that. When you decide that you're posting 2 times, twice in a week, 3 times in a week, you'll be consistent based on that. If it is TikTok, if you're posting every day, you make sure you show up every day just like that. All right, so these are the tips, these are the 10 skills every content creator should have in order to create good content. So keep it in mind every time you're putting out a new content. Keep all this in mind so that you don't fall short in any one. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video up until this point. I really appreciate you. So you can take note of everything I've mentioned in this video and apply them as a content creator. All right, so if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get contents like this every time I put them up. All right, thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.